Mr. Laga, why are we here today on this construction site demonstration on labor-based surfacing?
Today we are here to showcase one of the projects that are implemented using LIC methods, that is labor-intensive construction. These are projects that are pro-labor, drawing a substantial number of people into the workforce. This was a call by the National Department of Transport through PRMG that one of the provinces should nominate at least 2 projects that will showcase their innovation standards, that their methods that are employed in project implementation, and learn from each other. So from us as the Limpopo province, we are proud to showcase one of the methods that we employed on a household maintenance project through LBS, where we managed to create an approximate number of 210 work opportunities to deal with the issues of surface pothole patching and the grass cutting and so on.
In 2004, we were approached by the International Labour Organization and asked to see if we could develop an asphalt that would still maintain the highest possible recognized standards for asphalt. But of course, the purpose of the exercise was to maximize the labor component. So we set about developing a technology based on 6 core fundamentals. First, obviously, is, as per our mandate from the ILO, was to create jobs. Quality, as our second fundamental, is of paramount importance. The technology has gone through a full government-sponsored feasibility study. The third and very important fundamental of this technology is its simplicity. As you can see behind me, the very essence of this program is to reach out to unemployed people, unskilled women and youth, particularly from rural areas. Cost is also a very important factor. Government departments and road authorities are expected to perform miracles with budgets this big and with amount of work 3 times or more. So we are very sensitive to cost, and how we address the issue of cost is simply addressed through the methodology. We don't need to transport sand and stone from an existing asphalt plant because the asphalt is made in situ right on site. Changing and adjusting traditional methods of repair and maintenance by incorporating asphalt manufacture, we can now double the amount of beneficiaries at the same cost. And that makes us really competitive. This technology has been very specifically designed to assist with problems like here in Limpopo on their job maximization program. Through this technology, we've learned how to address the issue of sustainability.
This project benefited the community at large because of the skills our community has created from this project.
The LBS asphalt technology is based on standard asphalt design. In terms of the components that make up the asphalt design, we use a standard crusher sand under 6.75. The 2 road stones that are used for the mix are a 10mm and a 7.1mm. The binder content that we use in the asphalt is a simple SS60 anionic stable grade bitumen emulsion. And the final component that makes up the asphalt mix is the asphalt fibers.
One of the key objectives for the department is to ensure that we address the inequalities in terms of your women, youth and disabilities. Currently in this project, because of its friendly employed methods of LIC, we managed to create an average of 90% women working on this program.
And then ke lenanyana go le gontsinyana gore go o bereka ka batho o tshwanetse o nne le kgotlelelo le lerato di kutlwisisana.
Project e ke tsebetsana Mathaba Zimbi e ya re thusa like ha re fetshele day ntsi, but most of us ra bona gore at least tšhelete ya re zama, mara le ha e le gore ga se e kalo, mara at least ya re thusa.
Ke nana gore project ye ore e tle mo Thaba Zimbi e thusitse half ya mo batho ba Thaba Zimbi because half ne e bereka half ne e sa bereke. So today ba khumane merekonyana at least le bona ba kgona go dia something se ba bangwe le bona ba se diang.
Go thusitse ka mo Thaba Zimbi because mo Thaba Zimbi mo ga gona mebereko, so e thusitse community ya rona thata because ga gona mmereko for Thabazimbi.
Ke ithutile dilo tse dintšhinyana ka di-pothole ka o seletšhara ka o kgatha ditlhare ke nana gore le konteraka e nngwe motlhang e tlang nka kgona go dia dilo tsela ba sa nthute le nna maybe ke rutang bona.
Ithutile dilo tse dintsi go etsa di-potholes like go slasher, like go kgatha ditlhare le go etsa sekontiri ke dilo tse ke ithutileng tsone.
Ms. Tlaka, what are the challenges that you have faced with implementing this project? Looking at the issue that these people, some of them have never been employed before, and this is their first opportunity to get involved in similar projects.
One of the challenges that the government of the day is facing is unemployment. And through this project, we are trying to draw into the workforce the unemployed with less or no chance of getting employment due to the fact that they have no skills, they have never worked before. The main challenge that we have is to ensure that we reorientate themselves to actually understand the work environment, the labor conditions, and many others. Because if they don't understand that, most of the time the projects are collapsing based on that element. To remedy that, we actually include an element of training that actually ensures that the skills that are necessary for this kind of projects are actually attained. A contractor is linked to a municipality. Our role in the province, we are actually working on upgrading of roads from gravel to tar. We are responsible for periodic maintenance. We are responsible for routine maintenance, household routine maintenance. It's an initiative through National Department funded through the Provincial Roads Maintenance Grant. The program entails involvement of 25 contractors within the province. The project is implemented using EPWP methods, which is fully compliant by ensuring that we actually respond to the national target for EPWP.
Experience ke krile mone le ke krile last year because ne ke le team leader last year, but now I get team lead. Ke na no re ka ikisa gole because ke na le certificate tse dintsi tse le gore ke di krile mo di projecteng tse di tshwanang le tse. Project ene ya re thusa ke itsetsa ga na mo Thabazimbi, then ya re thusa thata. Last year ne ke bereka engwe e fitileng project ya Mantelane, so le ona ke itsetsa na mo Thabazimbi. Le ha ile hore like na re tswa go di family tse tshwana mara at least rona ya re zama too much.
It's not only this project. If the government can see, if any other things for more especially the youth, more especially youth they are not working at all. If something the government so that they can assist those young people.
If we can take a team of unskilled women and youth from the community and teach them to make an asphalt that's compliant with road specifications. Fortunately, due to the methodology of the technology, where we're teaching people, community with no prior skills, to make an asphalt that meets road specifications.
The project is not necessarily to create these work opportunities alone, but it ensures that our people are able to participate in the mainstream economy by ensuring that we secure them skills and also expose them to training, which will be your technical, your OHS, and the generic skills.